Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wallet and tapping the plus to add a debit card. This is the real first action. Once done, position the card for camera capture or tap enter details manually. Make sure to sign into your bank app if prompted, because many issuers require in-app verification. You'll also complete 2FA when the bank asks. This confirms your identity and prevents fraud. Proceed now. The app walks you step by step and verifies the card within minutes. Once the bank sends a verification code, enter it promptly. Delays can expire the session. Next, select this debit card as your default for Apple Pay if you want quick payments. Go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay. Make sure Express Transit is enabled for public transport, which allows tap and go without Face ID. Also, turn on transaction notifications so you see payments instantly. That helps spot unauthorized charges and understand why Apple Wallet asks for periodic rechecks of your bank. You'll pay by holding your iPhone near a contactless reader and authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or a double-click, simple. After purchases, review pending and posted amounts in Wallet and cross-check with your bank to avoid surprises. If a payment is declined, don't panic. First, toggle the card off and on in Wallet, restart your phone, then retry. If the issue persists, call your bank with any error codes shown. Banks can release holds or reauthorize the card quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.